Welcome to the Exodus JSON document remapping tutorial. If your target JSON document alters, you'll be keen to try and keep as much of the original mappings and rules as you can. After loading but before installing your JSON, you can connect attributes in the new JSON to the old attributes in the target JSON document. The lockstep checkbox simplifies the process of keeping the old JSON document and the new JSON document in sync. When the attributes are aligned, simply press return or double click. The new JSON document attribute will change color. This indicates the mappings and rules have been copied over into the new JSON document. Auto Remap simplifies this further by copying over the maps and rules where it can. We've added a new subdocument of remuneration, added commission within that, and moved the job title into the employment details subdocument. The employment detail is its own fragment, so we'll need to alter that in the same manner that we altered the parent document. In this example, I've copied the parent document into my copy and paste buffer. I'm now pasting it into the new JSON and editing it to leave the fragment that I'm interested in. I'm now going to select the lockstep mode and press the auto remap. That's covered everything except the job title and commission. I now need to return to the employee document to clean up an artifact of the remapping that took place. The employment detail is actually a fragment. In other words, the contents come from the associated fragment and not from the employee document. I need to temporarily unrelate the fragment, move to the job title, copy its mapping and rules, and unmap that field. Now I can re-establish the relationship to the fragment. And paste in the mappings I just copied. That just leaves the commission, find the source field, and make the map. Please note that subdocuments, for example the remuneration, do not need to be separate stored fragments. They can exist simply like this, without any special stored fragment handling. If the change to your new document is sufficiently complex, then Auto Remap won't locate all the attributes you need to remap. We've changed a number of JSON attribute titles. Auto Remap won't locate those. In this case, we'll have to manually remap. First, start by switching off lockstep mode, and then choosing the original attribute and choosing your target attribute and double clicking. Choose the original, double click the target, and again. It's important you cover all attribute values, including those that apparently haven't been mapped. That's because the remapping copies over for all map rules groups. You may be looking at a map rules group which doesn't have a mapping for the attribute, but it might exist in another map rules group. To confirm the installation, simply press OK. In this case, I'm not going to.